Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, we learn how to accurately calibrate the temperature controller of a Singer no-frost refrigerator. What's special about the no-frost refrigerator is that both its freezer and the refrigerator sections have separate temperature controllers. Both of them work the same way. Let's find out how they work. This is the temperature controller in the freezer unit. The refrigerator unit has another controller exactly like this. As you can see, it is not numbered, but has dots that are gradually getting bigger. It's designed to increase or decrease the temperature as you gradually regulate from the small dots to the bigger ones, starting from the smallest dots and going up to the third or fourth dots are for low cool requirements. This is enough if there aren't many goods in the fridge. You can get a slight cool when regulating to the middle-sized dots. It's good for daily use. And the biggest dots will give you a high cool or lowest temperature. This setting can be used to store ice cream-like items in the freezer. Using the temperature controllers accurately not only ensures the durability of your refrigerator, but you can also control your electricity usage.